YouTube family, this is the one and only Terry D, motivational speaker, and today I'm going to do sorry, I don't know what's wrong, I'm tongue tied. A brief little breakdown of the M's and W's strategy. Okay, so if you follow my cursor here. Okay, this is an M. Okay, how do you trade the second M? You ask. So let me show you guys something. Go this way. Okay. Let's say you see it. Oh, come on, don't get me issues. It's gonna give me issues, y'all. Okay, let's say if you see it here, right? Let's say, okay, it's at a resistance zone, which this would be the resistance zone, okay? And it has to come down sometime, okay? So USD CAD right now has been shooting up. It's been shooting up, and eventually it has to come back down, right? That's your thinking, right? And then you say, okay, you see this candlestick. Okay, so I would potentially wait to trade this until I see a confirmation candle. Okay, so once you start to see this candlesticks, and I tell people it's like a ladder, right? So you see this one, you see they're kind of next to each other. I wouldn't trade this, but whenever you see a staircase, like follow me, okay, comes down and then it has to make that step, over here, and then it drops back down. And then let me see, go back over, and then obviously it rejected of this support level and then shot back up. But this right here, guys, is how you trade a M. Okay, you trade the second leg of the M. All right. Sometimes it's not a perfect M, but whenever an M happens, that second leg is a great confirmation to sell. Okay, and sometimes, like when this happens, it's not an M that forms, but when you do see an M pattern forming, then that's a great indication that it's going to drop. Okay, I tell people, if you look at, I call these like teeth marks. Okay, so when you see these two teeth marks like that, and then you see it push up, and it comes up to the resistance zone here, that's a strong indication that it's either going to push up past the resistance zone or it's going to come down like it did here. Okay, and then I would, like I said, I would wait for this to happen, this candlestick here. You see it try to push up, it wicked out, and then it pushed down, and then it finished that second leg of the M, okay? That's roughly about 50 to 60 pips, okay? People will say, well, why couldn't I get up here? Well, the reason why you can get in here is because sometimes the market does tricky things, and it shoots up past the resistance zone and just continue to go up. But you literally just look for stuff like these, okay? So you see this, okay? And then you see that I call these teeth marks. See it go up. Then you wait for the confirmation here, place a sell, and then let it drop. And that's how you trade an M. You trade the second leg of the M, okay? Follow me again. Sometimes you do have to train your eyes to see these things. But here, and then it drops, okay? Now, a W. They say in the market, typically after a W happens, an M happens, a W happens, okay? And as you guys can tell here, after this M pattern happened here, okay, the W happened shortly after. So this is the period separators. So it obviously closed here and then opened up, okay? And as you guys can tell, now this is not a video for support, okay? But if you guys can tell, this is a good support level where I have my line drawn out, okay? Because you guys can tell it has yet to break this support level here, okay? But anyway, so at this support level, this is where it closed. Again, look at these teeth marks, okay? And then this one, even when it opened up, this is teeth marks, just like this M's over here. Okay, you see these two? Teeth marks. Teeth marks. You see red and green. Then you see red and green, okay? Then obviously it dropped back down. Then it shot up, okay? Sometimes you kind of do got to train your eyes to see these things. But on the second leg of the M, that's what you trade. You place a sell, Then on the second leg of the W, you place a buy. Okay. Now, follow me quick. Okay. So go here, and then this would just, man, messing up. Okay. You go here, then it goes up, right? Like it did. Then it come back down, and then goes back up, just like a W. Okay. Do that again. M. Okay. Second leg, place a sell, drop. And then once the W happen, you see it after that drop, you'll wait for it to come up a little bit, come back down, then goes back up. And that's how you trade the M and W strategy. It's that easy. You literally just look for an M or a W. If you see an M forming, like it did over here, and say, okay, it looked like it's about to drop. It's bearish here. It hasn't broke the resistance zone. So obviously this next candlestick should be bearish as well in this sell. And you can sell it until the 20 moving average. And obviously it broke the 20, it broke the 200. Came down to support, and then it broke to 200 again, broke the 20, then it came back down, and then boom, okay? Guys, this is another quick tip of this video, and I'm gonna wrap it up. Anytime you see a staircase, okay? So follow me. Here we go. So see that green, which is bullish, right? And then it goes up, staircase. Goes up, staircase. Goes up, staircase. All these are confirmation candles. So if you're not sure if a W is going to happen, wait for confirmation. Because once this closes on top, that means it's going to continue up. Vice versa. Once this closes at the bottom, it's going to drop. Once this closes up on top, it's going to go up. Once it closes on bottom, it's going to drop. Okay? So anyways, that's how you trade the M and W strategy. I just wanted you guys to understand that the M's and W's happen all the time. And when they do happen, you definitely want to catch them because it's easy money. You don't got to worry about the moving averages so much. You just literally look for an M-shaped candle and a W-shaped candle and trade it. You always trade the second leg of both because, again, if you think it's an M and the M doesn't form for you, it's going to continue up. Or vice versa. If you think it's a W and a W doesn't form for you, it's going to go down. Okay? But if you see the staircase, use it as confirmation, place a buy. You can ride it up real close to this resistance zone here. Okay? But anyways, hopefully that was informative for you and for you to kind of understand how to trade an M and a W. I'll probably be doing a lot more follow-up videos on top of this. But this is Terry D, the one and only motivational speaker. If you want to take my course, okay, click the link below and take my course. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in another video. Peace.